The land meets the ocean at the rocky intertidal zone. During the low tide, the water peels back to reveal a thriving community of life. Scientists along the west coast study the rocky shoreline to better understand this remarkable ecosystem.
The Rocky Intertidal Zone is an amazing place as a biologist to study because there's such a high biodiversity of species that are living in a really small place. Imagine the entire savannas of Africa with all the predators, all the prey, all the herbivores living within a few square inches of each other. So there are a lot of fascinating things happening on a very small scale. And so the Rocky Intertidal has become this really important area for ecological research to try to understand these bigger questions. So you can actually experience the animals and the plants and the species living in the ocean in a very easy way just by walking along the shoreline.
Rocky shores are very important for monitoring because how they change over time can really tell us a lot about how humans are affecting and impacting that area, either from oil spills, wastewater, polluted water, trampling, poaching for eating. There's a lot of different reasons why we want to look at these organisms and understand how they're changing over time.
Citizen science is when volunteers work with scientists to collect important data. Here, citizen scientists are helping to monitor the Rocky Intertidal Zone in Southern California.
Citizen scientists can be anyone. They could be young or old or have any kind of job. They have to have an interest and a real passion for understanding more about a certain topic and wanting to do something about that.
Citizen science has an incredible potential to become an incredibly valuable component of monitoring programs as we go forward. There's certainly not enough scientists and not enough money to do all the work that needs to happen for us to really conserve and protect the ecosystems of the world right now.
I think the public can really benefit from becoming engaged in citizen science. They become attached to a location and know what's going on in that spot over time. They know the critters, their names, how they're changing, and can say something meaningful about what's going on in that space.
Want to learn more about citizen science in the Rocky Intertidal Zone? Visit the multi-agency Rocky Intertidal Network website at www.marine.gov.